Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Discretionary fiscal policy questions get easy fast when you separate fiscal from monetary, then match recession with expansionary moves that boost demand and spending. Discretionary fiscal policy means deliberate action by Congress or the government using taxes or spending, not automatic changes. So we should immediately look for a tax decision or spending decision. To reduce a recession, policymakers use expansionary fiscal policy, which raises aggregate demand through lower taxes or higher government spending, because households and firms then have more money to spend. That makes decreasing income tax rates the match, since lower taxes increase disposable income and spending. So option A is the discretionary fiscal policy choice. Well done, option A. Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule. Trust what is given and check the steps before picking fiscal over monetary tools.